When you're trying to deactivate your Instagram profile using the steps, you're unable to get the option. That's right. So it's very simple. I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram ID without even though you don't get that option. Just I'm going to give you a link which is there in the description. Just need to go to that link. I'm going to show you. So this is the link. Just copy this link from the description and you're gonna go to Google browser and paste that link and you're gonna hit enter. So it's directly gonna take you to the deactivate page. You just need to select the reason why you're deactivating it. It's temporary deactivate. In case automatically you want that to be activated, you can select the dates. If not, you can just select auto reactivate and you need to type your password. So type your password and click on temporary deactivate and it will ask you the confirmation. Click on yes and it is deactivated. That's it guys. So you don't find the option, don't worry, the link is in the description. Just copy that link, paste it in a browser and just give the reason why you want to deactivate and give your password and click on temporary deactivate. It's very pretty simple. The steps which is provided by Instagram, most of 90% of users don't get that option. So this is the option in order to deactivate your profile. Very simple. Link is in the description. Hope you like this video. In case if your friends want to deactivate their profile, please share this video. Until then, take care. Bye.